Okay, the ship is turning around, so we get head on out to the ocean.
We'll do me and mom and dad and you, and then we'll do Marshall, mom, dad.
I can hear the engine, yeah.
Hey, this is where it's at. At least you
See, it's backing up now.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Awesome.
That's mom all about.
Laughing at picture. Alright, Marshall, come on.
Yeah, I hope my battery don't die.
Turn you around.
Right? Because the phone video sucks because it doesn't,
Huh?
you can't pulse anything.
About skill, not her and
Oh yeah. For sure.
Tim will stop it.